In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize landing page URL in Kajabi. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the link for any landing page so it's clean, on-brand, and easy to share. This is great for improving SEO, making your offers more memorable, and keeping your site organized. First, open your Kajabi dashboard and head to Website, then Pages. This is where all your site pages and landing pages are listed. If you have a lot of pages, you can scan the list or use the search bar to quickly find the landing page you want to update. When you find it, look to the right of the page name for the three-dot menu. Click that menu and choose Edit Details. This opens the Page Details window. Here, you'll see a field labeled URL or Page URL slug. The slug is simply the part of the link that comes after your domain. For example, if you set the slug to My Freebie, the full URL becomes yourdomain.com/myfreebie. If you're on a Kajabi subdomain, it will follow that format instead, but the concept is exactly the same. Now, type in your desired slug. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to remember. Use lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens only. No spaces or special characters. Aim for something that clearly communicates what's on the page, like webinar replay, pricing, or my freebie. Avoid very long slugs, random strings, or anything that might change frequently, such as dates, so you don't have to update links later. A quick tip. If this page is already live and you've shared the old link in emails, ads, or social posts, plan to update those links after you change the slug. Changing the slug changes the URL, and the old link won't resolve unless you set up a redirect separately. Keeping a simple, consistent naming convention from the start can save you time down the line. Once you've set the slug, click Save. Kajabi will update the landing page URL right away. If you keep a notes document for your marketing assets, this is a good time to copy the new link and paste it there for easy access. That's it. You've successfully customized your landing page URL. To recap, open Website, go to Pages, find your landing page, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit Details. Update the slug in the URL field, and save. With a clean, memorable URL, your audience can find your content faster and your branding stays consistent everywhere you share your link. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Kajabi.